Okay, in front of us are all the formulas you're going to be using for electricity. We'll explore each one in turn. Right, this is a Q equals IT. The way I remember it is quit. And with all of these formulas, you're going to see that I write them out in such a way that the first letter always goes at the top of the triangle. Q is charge, I is current, T is time. Where they've tended to catch you out there is by changing the value of time. So if they give you minutes or hours, make sure you turn it into seconds. Again, the way I remember this one is pivot. P equals IV, power equals current times voltage. Again, the way they may catch you out here is kilowatts or megawatts. Remember, it has to be put into watts. V equals IR, virus. This is a very famous law, Ohm's law. It's normally shown as R equals V over I, but you can get it from the triangle again. Voltage equals current times resistance, or potential difference equals current times resistance. I remember this one in a different way. EVQ, eat very quietly, or eat elephants, I don't know, eat Vaseline quietly, anything like that. E stands for energy. Notice that sometimes E will be W. Okay, sometimes energy can be expressed as work, and then you'll see the symbol W. So E, energy equals voltage times charge. Quite straightforward here. You're not likely to get caught up by this one. Again, we've got an energy one, or work. Energy or work, as you can see there, both forms of energy, is power times time. The way I remember this is elephants play tennis. Ept, perhaps you might remember ept. The way they're going to catch you out here is time. If you're measuring joules, you would use seconds. But if you're using a unit called kilowatt hours, which are the units of electricity that's sold in the house, you'll have to turn that time to hours. So be very careful of this one. T tends to be hours or seconds. And finally, we come across these formulas which have been added from 2018 onwards. Again, they can be put into triangles. P equals I squared R. P would be at the top. F equals Bill. Yes, this can also be put in a triangle. F would be at the top. And then you'd have B times I times L at the bottom. Force equals the magnetic strength. B, the current, I, the length, L. And finally, the one at the bottom, which doesn't go into triangle, is the general equation for working out the value of a resistance. Or in a circuit. The total resistance is the sum of the resistances if it is in a series circuit. And that is all the equations that you need to be able to use in the GCSE exam.